YouTube. Finally back with another update. Up here at Butler Tire in Austell. We got the car home. Everything's about complete. But we got suspension to adjust. We're gonna adjust the rear end, get it to where, you know, it sits a little bit lower like it did before. I got the 23 series tires. To go on the new rear wheels, we had to lose an inch to clear the Baers. So we're down to a 6-inch step lip now. So they don't have access to the 23s and Cali. So had to get on when they get back home. I got Bobby over here is the only one that aligns all my cars, the truck, whatever. I'll probably give y'all a video once we're over. See underneath.
That's some good parts on it, man. That's a pretty car.
So this is the benefit of upper and lower trailing arms. My rear end is off center, and it kind of always has been on this side, so it can actually sit straight, sit level, drop it a bit better. Hopefully, it's always had a bad rub on this side, so that's kind of our remedy to the situation. But with this Q81 stuff, definitely putting this new big wheel suspension kit to work, and I'm gonna show you how it looks afterwards. Show y'all underneath where I got the chance. I didn't get to get the finishing video from SAC, so there it is, man. Everything color matched, looking real good up in there. Shout out to Quick Performance and Q81 for the suspension kit. Baer 14-inch brakes, front and back color matched. Just got a little dirty up under here from riding a little bit, but we'll get it all cleaned up before the show. Sounds so good. Baer brakes look good. 14 and 6 piston. So this is the machine where he's gonna be able to put it up to adjust the ride height. I'm gonna try to get it down a little bit. Try to get that front down a little bit. Get to where we were back before. We did everything in Cali. They did this one a couple years back. It's pretty wild, but it's really understated too. But if you look at the front's dope. The brushed aluminum wrap. Huge brakes. But, you know, with power, these boys be tearing these things up too. Yeah, I'm gonna take off and hopefully I get to catch the ending, but if not, I'll speed it back up at Kev shop. Oh, we go see Judgment Time, man. She looking pretty good. Got the wheels on the right side now. At least want to show y'all the difference so y'all can see why I was tripping on 25 series tire versus 23 series. I just feel like it gives it such a cleaner look, brings it back to a car feel. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. So you might have to rewind it back, or I'll see if I can edit it so you can see the difference. But that wheel is centered now. Got the ride height perfect, front to back. And I should be able to enjoy driving it. Yeah, finally. It's been a long, well, we got 8 months into this process, but it's finally there. After this, we'll go to paint, so I'll get that shit off. We'll do all new trim along. I have all this trim here polished too. Gonna get these polished, all this polished. Switch out all this stuff. Polish this stuff, get all the dings out. But that'll be the next, excitement. See the color reveal, see how it goes. It's perfect, and we sitting straight. Take it around the block. Yeah, exactly where I need her to sit. She's beautiful. Hope y'all ready to see it, man. Certified Summer Saturday. Come check it out. My buddy Eddie got me right. Go take it back to the stores and keep it under wraps until car show time. Hit them up if you need any tows in Atlanta. But yeah, we good, man. Huge shout out to Butler Tire. Huge shout out to QA1. My boy Sack Speed Shop getting it right. One more time for your eyes. I'll catch y'all on this one.
Baby, whoa.
Before we get into the video, I gotta send her home, man. My boy came out here and racked up on the East Coast. That color, beautiful. There she go, man. My boy Kev keeping her for a little bit of time that we ain't here for. Got her all cleaned up. Running smooth. Exhaust sounds so good. Got everything underneath it. Probably go take it outside so y'all can get a better look at the color and all that. Let y'all see the motor. There she go. Came out so nice. So much nicer than I was expecting. Huge shout out to Holly for helping us out on their catalog, man. It's crazy. You get literally everything that you want to put your car back together. How clean all that is. So notice we got the hard lines here. And she all there. Back together, AC all good. Just a little dusty. But yeah, we there. We there. So I'm probably take it out in the sun, let y'all see how the brakes hit. Look good, sit behind the waves. Whoops by Wade engraved. Huge shout out to Baer. So we good, man. Good. That mass motor runs so good. It's real peppy. But we still in the break-in miles. We didn't get a chance to get our 500 in before we got on the trailer to come to the show. But it's all good, man. We gonna do it here and in between here and there before we go to SEMA. Then we'll get it dialed in, get the tune real nice, and I'll be able to show y'all, you know, what this thing actually do. Just want to give y'all an update on everything. I know it's been a minute. We've been real busy with a couple shows, a couple different ventures. If you follow on Instagram, you probably saw we did Certified Summer. We got Southside Sundays with 2 Chains at that cruise in. Man, it's been a busy year. It's been a busy year. So we got a few more things to do to get done. Be on the ground. Appreciate y'all checking out the process, bro. Y'all got any questions on anything, just let me know and I'll address it in the next video or I'll make some more posts about it. Appreciate y'all checking me out, man. Till next time. All right, we got out here in the sun. I don't think it did much difference, but I'm gonna go ahead and record some of it anyway. Just in case y'all didn't see some of the details. Color match suspension. Hard line radiator hose. Powder coated the headers. Smooth the wheel wells out. Closed in all our holes on the core support. Shade of firewall, vintage air. Mass Motorsport Stroke 396 LS. With all the Holly, the entire Holly catalog, you can go ahead and say. Catch can. Goose Performance on the radiator cover. Check him out for sure, for sure. He got some nice stuff. But yeah, man, we good. I say we're about 150 miles into the break-in process, so go give it to 500 miles and then we go really dial the tune in. Put all the QA1 stuff on there. Big bread brakes. Everything color matches, close as we can get it. I had to go down to 6-inch step lip though. So nobody has 24-inch 7-inch lips with 6-piston calipers. If you pay attention, most people on the G-bodies got the 4 pistons in the rear, so they can still ride 7-inch lip. So instead of going in, see ya, there still ain't no notch on there. I just, you know, man, we've been going back and forth, didn't really need it. So I figured let's lose an inch on that lip. Forgiato ended up recutting some wheels for me. But I mean, I still think it's enough. Now I'm back to saying, fuck y'all 7-inch lips. But that was the only thing. So if you look a little different, yeah, so it's a 6-inch step lip now instead of a 7. But I did that to clear the brakes just because the 6-piston look all the way around is kind of unique on the G-body. Like I say, I haven't seen too many of them, let alone with 7-inch lips. So went ahead and did that so you can fit them nice Baers on there. Especially since they already engraved Woods by Wade, it's kind of hard to go back and say we're not gonna use them. So we got that on there. We got the trailing arms color match too. Get this back in, put it in storage, and we about to tear down some again. Next time you see her interior probably be stripped out. We're gearing up for SEMA, so it's a lot of stuff that, you know, I want to perfect by the time we get to SEMA. And hopefully we'll end up in the QA1 booth, a highly featured spot, or we'll go forward from there. But that's what we're shooting for. And it's going to have to be 100% right. Everything's going to be A1 on this car next time we bring it out. So that's why I say big surprise, man. We're going a little bit more luxurious when it comes down to carpets and wrapping the steering wheel to match, hit the steering column. You know, just all the little bitty things that's okay for a cruiser, but if I want to represent for a big wheel car culture, man, I got to come 100% right. So appreciate y'all supporting, and I'll catch y'all in a little bit.